Welcome back to the channel, everybody. In today's video, I am going to try to sort of frame in this mahi rod weave. I know you guys remember this rod weave we did. So I'm gonna do my best to. I'm gonna try to close it in with the Chevron wrap on each end. Watch to the end because I did learn some things. Hindsight's 2020. I wish I would have done things different, but that's why you guys watch my videos, because you learn from my mistakes. You learn all the things I wish I would have did differently. I'm back, everybody. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that new channel we started, Average Guy Mining. It's all about cryptocurrency and mining crypto and all that stuff. If you're interested in that stuff, if not, there's gonna be plenty of rod wrapping videos coming up in the future. I'm back. You know what I'm saying. I'm back, and we're gonna get some things going here for you. Okay, so I learned a lot during this thing. Now, I wish over here on, I started here, over here on the left right here. I wish I would have started it right there at the end of the yellow, because then I could have done a reverse chevron wrap and came back. So that's something that I noticed. And here, where I wrapped the purple around on the weave, if I was going to do this next time, I would make sure that it would end up where I'm putting this tape right now. I would have started with a bunch of wraps of purple so that I could have done the reverse chevron wrap around this. And on the back side, all the purple would have been all the way to the end. It would have looked really nice. But this is something, it was an afterthought. I thought about, boxing this in. I think the original boxing though does look good. The chevron wrap, like a little frame around that rod weave. That's something I'm definitely gonna do on a custom rod. The mahi mahi fish looks good. I use the same colors as in the mahi mahi fish with this um, chevron wrap. But the chevron wrap does look good on it, and I just think I should have started the left one back at least, the same distance as I did it on the right. But all in all, I'm really pleased with the way it came out. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. And we'll have more of these videos coming up soon. Just gotta throw this ruler on here so you can see. Next time I do the weave or the weave, I'll probably go like 4 inches, 10 centimeters, somewhere's in there, with the purple metallic, so that when I do the chevron wrap on the back side, that's all closed in. Because you can see right here, I mean, that's only 3.5 centimeters, the mahi mahi fish. So if I would have wrapped that purple all the way, that would have really looked nice. All I had to do was go, I don't know, maybe another 3 centimeters on each side of that. And I think it would look good. But I can't complain for just trying this out. I mean, I'm really pleased with the way it looks. I like the way it boxes it in like that and emphasizes it. And I definitely will be doing more of this type of stuff around the weaves.